August 18th, 2015, 1:30 p.m. We've got a massive rainstorm coming our way. In fact, the weather people are saying they haven't seen this type of storm ever. At least it's not this early. Usually this is a late fall storm. And they say if this would have been snow when this storm usually comes about end of November, that we were at 3 feet. So luckily there's no storm. No snow. But anyway, they're still predicting about 3 to 4 inches today and tomorrow. Temperature high today is only going to be 65, and tomorrow, August 19th, 57. Now remember, this is August in Minnesota. It should be at least 80. In fact, last Friday we had 95 with the dew point in the 70s. My battery's going to die. The heat index was 107. That was just 5 days ago. Only in Minnesota. I don't know if this camera is going to pick any of the rain up, but it is raining.